Hi, so today we're going to be talking about counting objects up to 20 in both a organized pattern and up to 10 objects in a scattered arrangement. Okay, so our organized patterns would be like if you have your 10 frame, this one, of course, would be 0, 1. They're organized, so they're in like they're gonna go in a line, This is an organized pattern for counting up to all the way up until, let me find my 20, all the way up to 20. So you start with your 0 and it goes all the way up to 20. Now your scattered arrangement is going to be this. So when you're looking at your scattered arrangement, this one's perfect example. You have to count them, like, they're not in an order, whereas with my 10 frame over here, it is in order. So right here, you would have to know that you've already counted that. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're not organized. They're scattered. So whereas you have your 10 frames that's organized, you also have scattered that's not. So to show, uh, we're gonna play a game of Cahoots that is going to have it in a scattered arrangement. Because we already played the Cahoots that was organized up to 20. So now we're gonna do a scattered arrangement up to 20, up to 10. So like here, those that is organized, but this one would not be organized because they're not all lined up the same. Same thing with the Paw Patrol. This is not organized. They're not in a straight line like our 10 frame. So we're gonna play this Cahoots game um, for unorganized, unorganized arrangement or scattered arrangement. So you need to remember when you have your scattered arrangement, you need to make sure that you are pointing to each one to make sure that you have counted it and to make sure that you don't accidentally count it again. And always double check to make sure that you counted it correct. Okay. So let's play the game of Cahoots.